Programming your GMC Yukon key fob is a cost-effective DIY task. This section focuses on how to add a new remote fob. The process involves synchronizing the fob with your Yukon's body control module, BCM. Ensure you have your vehicle key, the new fob with a fresh battery, and about 30 minutes. Follow these steps. 1. Close all doors and ensure the vehicle is off. 2. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 10 times within 15 seconds. This enters programming mode. 3. On the new key fob, press and hold the lock button for 10 seconds. The lights should flash, indicating the fob has been accepted. Repeat this step for any additional fobs you want to program. 4. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to on or simply wait 30 seconds. If the lights don't flash, check the BCM fuses or consult your owner's manual. Note that procedures may vary slightly depending on your Yukon's model year, 2007-2025, so it's always wise to double-check your specific manual. Erasing old or lost key fobs is crucial for security. This prevents unauthorized access to your GMC Yukon. Erasing ensures only authorized fobs work, protecting your vehicle from potential theft or misuse. To enter programming mode, cycle the ignition switch from off to on 10 times within 15 seconds. Instead of adding a new fob, press the unlock button twice on an existing recognized fob. This clears all programmed fobs from the system. After erasing, you'll need to reprogram any fobs you wish to continue using by following the standard programming steps. Key fob technology is evolving. GM is focusing on digital integration, but traditional RF fobs are still the standard for most Yukons. If you have a 2022 or newer Yukon, consider consulting a professional to avoid potential BCM lockouts and warranty issues. Post-2020 Yukon models may integrate with GM's digital key or smartphone apps for hybrid keyless entry. For 2024 and newer Yukon models, use the infotainment screen for guided programming to ensure proper setup.